Hello. In this series of videos I'm going to tell you about the shortcuts in which we use in Chrome browser and Windows 11. First one is to open a new tab, Ctrl-T. And Control-Tab to change between tabs. To close the tab, Ctrl-W. To reopen the closed tab is Ctrl-Shift-T. To close the browser window at a time, Ctrl-Shift-W. To search in Google, Ctrl-E. To open history, Ctrl-H, and to open downloads tab, Ctrl-J. To open task manager, Shift-Escape. To open bookmarks, Ctrl-Shift-O. To go to home tab, Alt-Home. To open new browser window, Ctrl-N. To open incognito window, Ctrl-Shift-N. To open the link in new tab, Ctrl-Link. To redirect in newly open tab, Ctrl-Shift-Link. To move downwards in page, press spacebar or page down. To move upwards, page up or shift space. To go to end of the page, press end. To go to top of the page, press home. To open Help Center, press F1. To open Developer Tools, Ctrl-Shift-J. To open website by its name, Ctrl-Enter. To open file in computer, Ctrl-O. To find keyword in a page, Ctrl-F. To open link, drag the link in tab. To open in same page, drag the link in same tab and enter. To minimize and maximize the window, double-click on the tab strip. To open Chrome menu, press Alt-E. To clear the browsing history, press Ctrl-Shift-Delete and clear data. To move backward and forward in window, press Alt, left and right arrows. To save current page, Ctrl-S. To print current page, Ctrl-P. Finally, to reload the page, Ctrl-R or F5. To switch between the users, Ctrl-Shift-M. Hope this video is informative. See you in next part. Thank you for watching.